In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Islam Through Its Scriptures course on Harvard Online, and how you can get Harvard certified after completing it. This is a powerful opportunity if you're interested in Islamic studies, religious history, or simply want to earn a globally recognized certificate from Harvard University. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from finding the course to enrolling and completing it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software and education tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Online website. You can do this by typing harvardonline.harvard.edu/course into the address bar and pressing enter. This is Harvard University's official platform, where they host professional and academic online courses. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses, along with a search bar. In the search bar, type Islam Through Its Scriptures. As you type, the course should appear in the search results. Click on the course title to open the course details page. On this page, you'll be able to read a full overview of the course, including what topics are covered, who the instructors are, the course duration, and what you'll learn by the end of it. Take a moment to review this information so you know exactly what to expect. When you're ready to move forward, scroll down the page until you see the Enroll button. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. You'll now be asked to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard Online account, simply log in using your email and password. If you're new, you'll need to create an account by entering your basic details, like your name, email address, and a secure password. Once your account is set up, you'll proceed to the enrollment form. Here, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details and select the enrollment option. Some Harvard Online courses offer both free learning tracks and paid certificate tracks, so make sure you choose the option that includes certification if your goal is to get Harvard certified. After selecting your option, you'll be taken to the payment page. Enter your payment details and complete the checkout process. Once payment is confirmed, you'll officially be enrolled in the Islam Through Its Scriptures course. You'll gain full access to all course materials, including video lectures, readings, and assignments. Now, all that's left is to complete the course. Follow the lessons at your own pace, complete any required assessments, and make sure you meet all the completion requirements. After successfully finishing the course, you'll receive a Harvard Certified certificate that you can download and share on your resume, LinkedIn profile, or academic portfolio. This certificate shows that you've completed a course from Harvard University and can be a great addition to your credentials. And that's it. You now know exactly how to access the Islam Through Its Scriptures course on Harvard Online and get Harvard certified. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.